Hello South Africa. 190 people left homeless after Khayelitsha fire. 192 people were left homeless when 81 structures were destroyed in a fire in Town 2, Khayelitsha in Cape Town on Saturday morning. Many of the affected residents are using what they could salvage from their charred belongings to rebuild their homes. Over a dozen people are still sleeping in a small local church. Local Sanco chairperson noted that it was particularly devastating because many people had lost the school uniforms and groceries they had bought with their social grants last week. A Khayelitsha mother says she is devastated after losing all her savings and belongings in a fire on Saturday morning. According to the city of Cape Town, 81 structures in Town 2 were gutted, leaving 192 people homeless. Kaziwi Dianti told Ground Up that she grabbed her 3-year-old daughter after hearing neighbors shouting that shacks were alight. I rushed out of my shack with my kid and left all my belongings inside except my pajamas and my gown. I have no materials to rebuild my burned shack, said Dianti tearfully as she stood in the charred remains of her shack. When Ground Up visited the community on Sunday afternoon, many people were sorting through the burnt rubble and material. While some were rebuilding their homes, Dianti, who is a domestic worker in Khayelitsha, was distraught that she barely had anything to salvage. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.